The new Studio One supports both direct plumbing connection and the 2.5 liters removable hot water tank. Studio One is designed for coffee lovers who want a high-quality espresso machine that is easy to use but still fully professional. And at the same time, it is a great solution for small businesses like restaurants or bakeries that need consistent espresso extraction and powerful steam for milk-based drink during the service. Studio One has a meticulous finish with a stainless steel body and a clean, professional design. Studio One is built with professional-grade internal components to ensure the highest quality and consistency of extraction. Like all Dalla Corte machines, uses multi-boiler technology. This solution delivers two many advantages. The first one is creativity and independent control during the extraction. The dedicated boiler in the group allows precise temperature control, so the barista can adapt the extraction to different coffees and different recipes. This means more freedom to work with the flavor profile of each coffee you want to use. The second advantage is efficiency and thermal stability. Because the boilers are fully insulated, less energy is required to maintaining the operating temperature. This also gives greater steam stability during service and reduces thermal stress on the internal component. The result is a system designed to be efficient and consistent in daily use. Now let's look at the external materials and the design. Studio One has a solid steel panels and a drip tray designed to give the machine maximum structural solidity and professional feeling during daily use. The machine feels compact but also very strong and stable. Another important point is customization. Studio One is available in different colors and finishes, so you can choose the version that best represents your identity, your space or your brand. You can also match Studio One with Dalla Corte Max Grinder, creating a complete coffee setup. And before choosing the final version, you can try the different colors and finishes directly on Dalla Corte website using the 3D configurator. This allows you to visualize the machine and find the best combination for your environment. Let's set up the Studio One and the Max Grinder for a correct and personalized extraction. Studio One uses Dalla Corte multi-boiler technology. Cold water from the network or tank enters directly into the 0.5 liter integrated boiler to the group, maintaining temperature with a plus or minus 0.1 Celsius degrees. One of the most important things in espresso is consistency. Once we find the right recipe, we need the machine to help us to repeat the same results shot after shot. With Studio One, setting the dose is very simple. First, we hold the encoder button to open the menu. Then, we scroll to Dose Adjustment and press the encoder to enter dose programming. To set the single dose, we move the lever to the single cup icon and start the extraction. When we reach the desired dose in the cup, we move the lever back up. At this point, the single cup icon lights up in the display, confirming that the dose has been saved. Then we can repeat the same process for the double dose, moving the lever to the 2 cup position and stopping the extraction when we reach the desired amount. When both doses are set, we press the encoder to exit, rotate to the right and press again to confirm. When Studio One is connected to the water line, we can also adjust the pre-infusion setting. Pre-infusion allows the coffee pack to receive water more gently before the full extraction starts. To set it, we hold the encoder, rotate to pre-infusion, choose the number of seconds and press to confirm. After confirming the setting, we rotate to the right to exit the menu. Finally, we can also adjust the group temperature with a precision of 0.1 Celsius degrees. To set the temperature, we hold the encoder, select Group Temp, choose the desired temperature and press to confirm. Then we rotate to the right to exit. All these functions are especially important for small businesses, such as restaurants, bakeries and offices, that prepare several espresso in a row. In this way, they can have the consistency of a professional espresso machine, but in a much more compact format. Studio has a 2.5-liter steam hot water boiler capable of meeting your demands, both domestic and professional. Studio One dispenses mixed hot water, making it suitable for preparing tea. Studio One allows the barista to adjust the boiler temperature from the menu. To set the boiler temperature, hold the encoder, select boiler temp, set the desired temperature, confirm, and rotate right to exit. The boiler temperature can be set from a minimum to 100 Celsius degrees to a maximum of 125 Celsius degrees, allowing you to choose the drier steam depending on your needs. Studio One also features a cold touch steam wand included as standard. Studio One has a 54mm portafilter as standard, designed for superior extraction quality according to Dalla Corte. A 58mm portafilter is also available as an option. The supplied parts include the shower screen holder, filter basket and 58mm portafilter. Studio One is equipped with an automatic on-off timer, allowing you to set it when machine turns on and off. Studio One features an automatic clean program, just like the professional machine in Dalla Corte range.